Morning, guys. It's Beck here, and I wanted to show you something I've just been doing this morning. I'm super excited to show you these oils because it's actually quite different to a lot of the other videos that I've probably done before. I'm actually sitting in a different part of my office right now because I've been doing some artsy fartsy type things. I've been getting all my creative stuff out, my textures and pencils and oil pastels, and yeah, just like a few different varieties of pencils as well. So, and I'm mixing them all up hilariously into different places. So I need to that's the creative artist process. So I'm sitting at a different desk because I'm super comfy in this spot right now. You can probably hear my chair. I'm in an ergonomic chair actually. It's one of those kneeling ones that helps correct your posture, which is really nice. It feels really, really good for the posture. And so I just thought I would share that little bit of like how I've moved around my office slightly because I feel really connected here right now actually in this space. I love my desk over on the other side where I use my computers. I'm on my phone right now, and so I'm feeling really like, yeah, it just feels like spiritually connected. And I wanted to show you these two particular oils which I've been using on this bite that I've got. You can see it's a bit fleshy up there, and actually last night I actually scratched myself as well because that wasn't there yesterday. And so I just want to show you, I've already applied some. I'm going to apply some more just to show you guys. And it's quite a sticky kind of scenario, but I've used two oils. One is Grand Fir, Idaho Grand Fir. I don't know if you can see that. Idaho Grand Fir, there we go. That's a good shot. And I just have been dabbing that. If it's not your oil, you can't do this. So I've just done one of these ones. And you just get some oil on your finger and dab. But if that's not your oil that you're using, you usually swipe. You usually swipe the side, because if you get your bodily oils on the oil, it changes the oil that comes out. So if they're your oils, do whatever you want to do, but if they're not your oils, respect the other person's oils and just swipe the side instead of dabbing on top, because your oils from your skin will get onto their oils. So, which is just a polite thing to do in the oil industry, but not many people know that. So there you go. So Idaho Grand Fir is an essential oil that's super soothing, but it's not just that it's super soothing. It has the most beautiful aroma and is just like, it does really connect with the heart. I feel, for me it does anyhow. It's like very big heart oil, and it's great for meditation, and it's great for grounding if you're feeling like you're a little bit like all over the shop, and you're a bit flighty and a little bit if anything could look like that, like you're in different directions maybe, you're feeling not really in your body. If you're just feeling like you're a bit scatty almost, then Idaho Grand Fir has this thing to take a big deep breath and reconnect and feel in, and it feels so good, and I love it. But you can imagine, because Idaho Grand Fir is a really big tree. It's like a really big, like connected tree. So that energy comes with the oil. So I always look at my oils energetically, because they're plant-based, and they are from like steam distilled, or mainly steam distilled. So the Idaho Grand Fir has some amazing constituents as well. I'm going to let you guys have a little bit of homework and look up constituents of Idaho Grand Fir and see what you find, because those are the things that are the beneficial side if you're using it for things like skin issues and things like that. So but if you're using it for meditation, it's really beautiful to inhale. Just like I can just feel all the way down my legs. That breath just went there. That oil just went there. Like it just like that inhalation just through the limbic system just went through my body. And it was just, yeah. Idaho Grand Fir is a very special oil. I think that's why it's only done in a 5ml as well. As far as I'm aware here in Australia anyway, it's only done in a 5ml. But it's like, I think there's another one, Idaho Blue Spruce, which is different tree, different plant to Idaho Grand Fir, but that comes in a bigger oil, and that is also really very beautiful. These trees that are up more in the northern hemisphere, that are like up in Canada and up in places like where the Northern Lights are, which is in some places in Canada. I'm pretty sure Idaho does get the beautiful Northern Lights. Imagine the trees being in that energy, and you know, the things that plant life does that humans don't know and actually are becoming more aware of is actually really quite a beautiful thing. It's a very beautiful, gorgeous thing to be able to really have a knowingness, but also I love the mystery. I love that there's that mystery of there's probably more than we know that's going on. So just to like really acknowledge and feel that mystery as well, just like wherever it needs to go, whatever it needs to do, like the trust that comes with like using what I would class as like a sacred oil, which I don't know if Idaho Grand Fir is classed as, but I would still probably class it as that myself, probably because I just resonate with the greatness of those forest trees. They're just so divine to me. So and big trees for me are divine. They're such a, I don't know, I just feel like it's like something from the past. I don't know. And the other oil, okay, before I go off into fantasy land, into like magical fairies and things, is the oil myrrh, which is a sacred oil. And you can see this is like well loved, and also tried to clean up, but the tissue stuck to the side at one point, probably to the whole bottle in fact. When I tried to, I don't know, probably catch some of the oil. I don't even know what I was doing then. But basically this oil turns back to sap. So you can initially use a dropper, and then after a while it will start doing that. So I just want to show you, I just dipped this pimple popper into, look how sappy it is. It's like so far. And it's like this golden colour. I'm hoping this doesn't run out. This golden colour, which I just wipe on the skin. Myrrh is well renowned for a skin oil, and it's very well renowned as a spiritual oil as well. So it's very sticky and sappy, if you can see that. And it actually, I should have been more prepared. It's just that I really wanted to share this with you guys this morning, and I didn't even look at my battery. And then it smells so good. It smells like a hospital bed, number one. And number two, on a deeper aroma smell, it does smell like ash, like ancient ash or something like that. It's very potent and beautiful, and I love it. And it's like deep and, yeah, it's very amazing oil. So but if you look up the info on myrrh, now that I don't have much time to share with you myrrh, you'll be surprised at how amazing myrrh is as well for the skin, and the amazing benefits that myrrh has. Also doing an inhalation, and also just using for spiritual practices as well, spiritual connection and connection to the divine. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would love a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can definitely click on the subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye for now.